Oklo's subsidiary Atomic Alchemy has commenced site characterization work at the Idaho National Laboratory, INL, for a potential commercial radioisotope production facility. This milestone marks a significant step forward in advancing a reliable domestic supply of essential radioisotopes and restoring U.S. leadership in this critical field. The site characterization activities include core borings to collect soil and rock samples, providing essential data on subsurface composition, and ensuring the production facility meets stringent safety and building code requirements. According to Thomas Iden, founder and CEO of Atomic Alchemy, this milestone reflects the incredible partnership between INL, DOE, and Atomic Alchemy. We're proud to advance a reliable domestic supply of essential radioisotopes and help restore U.S. leadership in this critical field. The world faces a shortage of critical radioisotopes, which are vital for life-saving diagnostics, targeted cancer therapies, AI chip manufacturing, national security, and advanced R&D. The radioisotope market is expected to represent a $55.7 billion opportunity by 2026, with demand projected to increase significantly over the next decade. Oklo aims to address this growing market demand through reliable U.S.-based radioisotope production facilities, leveraging nuclear reactor and fuel recycling technologies. Jacob DeWitt, co-founder and CEO of Oklo, stated, "Through Atomic Alchemy, we aim to execute transformative projects that will expand our capabilities in commercial radioisotope production. The site characterization activities for Atomic Alchemy's radioisotope facility build on the recent DOE approval of site characterization activities for OK, enabling continued momentum in developing advanced nuclear facilities. The introduction of a $400 million follow-on equity offering has likely bolstered investor confidence, demonstrating a strong vote of trust in Oklo's vision and capabilities. Oklo's strategic inroads in energy resilience have also been underscored by the company's recent success in securing a notice of intent to award a clean power project from DLA Energy. Despite geopolitical tensions affecting broader markets, Oklo's advancements have enabled the company to stand out, with its shares achieving a remarkable total return of well over 500% in the past 3 years. This impressive performance reflects investors' growing confidence in Oklo's initiatives, including its new facility at the Idaho National Laboratory and ongoing expansion efforts. Oklo's outperformance is further evident when compared to the U.S. electric utilities industry, which delivered a return of 15.2% over the past year. While Oklo remains forecast to be unprofitable over the next 3 years, the introduction of the follow-on equity offering could indicate strengthened investor trust, potentially influencing future revenue and earnings forecasts. Oklo is also riding a broader wave of positivity after U.S. President Donald Trump signed executive orders aimed at bolstering the nation's nuclear power generation capacity. The orders target increasing America's nuclear energy capacity from approximately 100 gigawatts in 2024 to 400 gigawatts by 2050, which could significantly benefit Oklo. The company's CEO, Jacob DeWitt, welcomed the executive orders, stating they align with Oklo's mission to modernize licensing, fuel, and construction processes. With the Department of Energy site use permit, a federal fuel award, and active regulatory engagement for its first plant, Oklo sees these policies as key enablers of its commercial rollout. The executive orders may expedite Oklo's licensing process for the Aurora powerhouse, currently underway with the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission, possibly fast-tracking Oklo's path to commercial deployment, reinforcing its position as a key player in the future of U.S. nuclear energy. Oklo's innovative approach to nuclear energy, including its ability to run on fresh or recycled nuclear fuel, positions it well for future success. With the current administration aiming to establish America's dominance in the global nuclear energy market, Oklo is undoubtedly going to benefit from this momentum. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.